Hey y'all, I'm at the mall doing a mukbang for you guys. I'm eating some Panda Express, and don't laugh at my hair because I gotta go get it done. But I don't care. Anyway, hey, this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. How you guys doing? Look what I got today. Let me see if I can switch it around so y'all can see. I just bought this new iPhone and I don't know how to work it. Okay, I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna do it like this. Some Panda Express, and I got me a strawberry soda with some ringatons or whatever they call ring. It's so cold in here. I am freezing. Just that Beijing beef. So good. It's a little spicy, but it's not too spicy. I got my ringatone, whatever these damn things called. What are these called? Whatever it is. It's good. I dropped it on the table. I don't care. Them things are expensive. Kiss it up to God. Put some of this sauce on it. Look at that cream cheese. I forgot to grab the soy sauce for my rice. This beef and broccoli is good. Look how good that looks. My soda is holding up my phone. Strawberry soda. Oh my God. I'm in the mall. Everybody looking at me. She over there burping. It's hard trying to hold your phone up and eat at the same time. Let's see, girl. This is what happens when you come with your kids shopping. I'm going to walk all over this mall. It is freezing in this mall. It felt better outside than to do it in here. Look at this. Mm. Mm. I come with these little red peppers, but I'm too scared to eat one because I don't like hot food. This is kind of spicy, but I can bear with it. It's not where to the point where it's why I can't eat it. Mm. I am freezing. It is cold in here. Damn, it's cold in here. Mm. Trying to make sure my phone don't fall. Oh, it's upside down. Sweet and sour sauce. I wonder, can y'all see it better like that? This stuff is so good. Mm. 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 That's so good. Oh, and it's dripping. Mm. It is so cold in here. When I tell y'all, it's freezing. It's super cold. Uh-oh. Mm. I ain't ate none today. So hungry. Mm. So if you guys hear people in the background, I am at the mall shopping. I was so hungry, I had to get me something to eat because I have not eaten nothing today. Excuse me. All over my purse. Mm. I forgot my soy sauce, so I'm gonna put this on my rice. This sweet and sour. I was gonna go home and cook some steaks. Some what's them New York steaks? It's my son's birthday, so that's what he wanted. But Been at this mall for hours with him. So I ain't cooking tonight. Look at that. I'm freezing. Oh, excuse me. So I'm gonna have to finish the rest at home because my battery is about to die. So if you guys like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. I don't care. Anywho, thank you for watching Nikki and Nikki Smacks with my Panda Express. My phone about to die, so thank you guys for watching me. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want to do. You watched it, if you give me a thumbs down. Anywho, I will see you guys next time. I need to go warm up because I am freezing. And I hope you guys like this. Bye. Bye-bye.